Okay, so what really happens when a person gets bullied at work? This is Madeline's story. She was bullied by someone she's going to call Karen. Of course, all the names are changed to protect people's privacy. Madeline is 21 years old, female, at the time of the story, 19 weeks pregnant, and she works as a bank teller. Here's the story. I work as a bank teller. I had a run-in once before with Karen. At the time, I didn't have any hard evidence, but I believed that this woman used confidential bank information a few months ago to make a false accusation to the cops for animal abuse at my house. So there's history. When asked about it, Karen denied it and got angry with me and then involved multiple coworkers in it, even though the conversation happened outside of work. She also lied about our whole conversation, saying that I was accusing her and calling her a liar, which didn't happen. This was brought to management's attention and I was reprimanded. This past week, I've had to work every day in the drive-thru of our bank with this woman. Since that incident, I have been nothing but kind to her, but she's the kind of woman that if she's in a bad mood, anyone else who is in a good mood should go to hell. At the end of the day, she got angry with me about not doing something that was actually her responsibility. She came at me saying that she was tired of my attitude and the lip that I'd been giving her all week. I tried walking into a different room to get away from her, yelling at me, and my supervisor was standing in the room that I walked into. Karen followed me in, yelling at me, and brought up the animal abuse situation again, accusing me of calling her a liar and treating her badly. So she's not letting go of the past. Okay. I tried to walk past her into the other room, and she put both hands on my chest and pushed me backward. Two people saw this happen. One of them was my supervisor. My supervisor did not do anything, but the other person did. She, the other coworker, jumped in. I managed to get past Karen and grabbed my things, and as I was walking out, she was still yelling at my coworker. I left work and messaged my supervisor and branch manager and told them I wanted to speak with them and the bank president. So far, the only feedback I got was that my branch manager made the comment, "We need to find a way to all get along." What a weak, ineffective response. So she's asking, what can I do outside of talking to my supervisors? So if you were Madeline, what would you do?